Ready to ditch the guessing game and finally see real progress towards your fitness goals? This video will show you exactly how to connect your Fitelo Smart Scale to the Fitelo app so you can effortlessly track your weight, body composition, and stay motivated. Let's get started. First, make sure you have your Fitelo Smart Scale, the Fitelo app, downloaded on your smartphone, and that you've created an account within the app. You can find the app on both the App Store and Google Play Store also. Make sure you have fresh batteries in your scale. The scale usually takes AA batteries. Now, open the Fitelo app on your phone. Navigate to the Profile section, usually found in the bottom right corner. Look for a Connect Device or Add Device button. It might be represented by a plus sign or a scale icon. Tap on it. The app will likely ask you to enable Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on in your phone's settings. The app needs Bluetooth to communicate with the scale. Place the Fitelo Smart Scale on a hard, flat surface. Ensure your feet are bare and positioned evenly on the scale's electrodes. The scale will automatically turn on. The Fitelo app will now begin searching for your Fitelo Smart Scale. Keep your phone close to the scale during this process. Once the app finds your scale, it will display the model number. It will say Fitelo Scale or something similar. Tap the Connect or Pair button next to your scale's name. Step off the scale. Once the app indicates the connection is successful, the app will now display your weight and other body composition data, such as body fat percentage, muscle mass, and more. This data will automatically sync to your profile, allowing you to track your progress over time. If you're having trouble connecting, try restarting both your phone and the scale. Ensure the scale has fresh batteries and that Bluetooth is enabled and working correctly on your phone. You can also try uninstalling and reinstalling the Fitelo app. Now you're all set. Track your progress, stay motivated, and achieve your fitness goals with your Fitelo Smart Scale and app. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.